Hello and welcome again, Stocks Advisor. Today we'll talk about bug. The situation here is very interesting because we saw kind of beginning of the upwards move with formation of this very nice support line like this, and then it actually turned to a faster line, which was like this. But the question is, will it really work as support level here, or it will go down? Because what is also important to see that we have another level here, which is this one, and this means that even if we have a reverse here of the price, most probably it won't go higher than let's say this resist line, but even that most probably will not be happening because here we have a combination of parameters, let's say, saying that it will be volatile, but most probably we are at the beginning of small negative wave. The reason for that is that MACD histogram is still forming the wave. It didn't finish yet. It means that we most probably either will have a small quick bounce here and going down. The reason for that is that we have here a small channel, and we touched the top of the channel, so we should be bouncing in this channel and then retesting all the way towards a moving average 200. Once we face it, there should be a very fast action downwards because we already touched it once, and this will be a second one. So second touch usually means it's a very fast move, false rebounds, and then negative channel formation. On this false rebounds we might play. If you think of where it will be forming, well, there are a few possible levels. Of course, this would be a very strong one, probably will be forming the channel already, and the first rebounds might be happening all the way for these levels. Draw it more correctly, formed by this historical price action here, here, and here. And I think that will be indeed forming the rebounds and the real channel restart. So if you want to play on the quick one, I would enter here. But if you want to play on the longer term, I will wait till this one. This might take up to 2-3 weeks before it's formed. For now, descent in this channel, retest of moving average 200, piercing further, and then formation of the channel. It doesn't mean it will be very long because can be just, let's say, some reconfirmation of upwards move, but for now that's most probably what is going to happen according to pure technical analysis, because all parameters are out of steam. Also RSI, although it's very low, and people might say, well, it should be very spiky, but most probably it will be just having a false bounce and then flattening out, similarly to what was seen, for example, here we had a false bounce, again false bounce, and then going down, and only then we have this kind of square. So these squares are what we seek for the price increase, for the real growth. And before next, or like here you see kind of squares. So once another box is formed, we might have some volatilities, and only then the box will be forming exactly coinciding with the time of the channel, of second channel formation, as we discussed here. It might be a little bit lower with inclination. For now, it'd be difficult to say what will be the exact angle, but the levels should be quite good enough as an estimation here. That's it for bug for now. Good luck with it. If you like this way of technical analysis, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos. See you at another episode of Stocks Advisor.